creating a simple starburst. So we are going to recreate this starburst here, and it's really easy to do this in CorelDraw. So first, I've started by using this complex star. Okay, so complex star in this is in this option here, complex star. So once you click on custom complex star, you're going to have this option in the property bar. So this one is the points, like how many points in your starburst, and this one is the sharpness, okay, the sharpness of the star, and this one is the points, number of points. Now right now it's in 10 points, and you notice this one is more than 10 points. Now let's make this start with 20 points. Okay, so I'm just going to type the 20 points there, and then in here, when you create the starburst, make sure to hold down control, okay, control in your keyboard, and just hold it down and don't release, and then click and drag to make a starburst. Okay, now you notice this one here, it is not what we really wanted, like the shape is not really, I think it's the sharpness that we have to increase. So in here, instead of 2, we'll increase the sharpness, and you notice it increases to, okay, the sharpness. Now I would probably add some more points, so I increase it. Okay, so it's interactive, so it's really good because you can see the final product. Okay, so let's say I'm happy with this one. Now how do I make it just a shape? I don't want the inside parts. Okay, so in order to remove the inside parts in CorelDraw X4, you can click on the starburst, and you go to effects and click on create boundary. So what it does, it just gets the silhouette of the starburst. Now you can move that there, and then you can delete this. Now you can work on this one here. So if I'm going to do this one here, I'm just going to color that blue. It's a gradient fill or fountain fill, so I'll make that this blue and then this blue here, and I click OK. Now I want to make this the other way around, darker side here and then the lighter side. So I go back to my uniform, to my fountain fill, and I'll just move this over like this, like that. So I click and drag inside and click OK. Okay, so that is close, and you notice there's an outline of a darker blue, so I click on it and I go to my outline pen. So that's my outline pen. I'll make a dark outline, and let's say 4 points, and click OK. Okay, so now I have the outline. Okay. So now I'm just going to zoom in there. I'm just going to move this one down. Okay. Now with this highlight here, that's really easy. You go to your Bezier tool and click 1 point and second point. Then you go to your shape tool, which is this one here, or F10. So click on the segment or the line and make it as a curve, convert line to curve, and then just shape it the way you want it to be. So I'm gonna shape it like that. Okay, now I have that shape. Then I'll go to my smart fill tool, smart fill, and then I'll just select this area here to isolate that area, and I can delete my line and make this white. Okay, since I have that white, so that will be the highlight. It's going to my interactive transparency tool and click and drag, or I'll do it the other way around there, and I'll just adjust it, and there you go, a simple starburst.